How to fix Dell SupportAssist keeps popping up on Windows. 1. Perform a clean reinstallation of Dell SupportAssist. To do so, uninstall existing Dell SupportAssist. Reboot when the default removal is done. Get the latest build of Dell SupportAssist installed, as admin. Notes: 1. You may still need to run the following commands as admin to clear the remain Dell-related services: sc-delete SupportAssist agent, sc-delete ddv data collector, sc-delete ddv rules processor, sc-delete ddv collector, svc API2, backup and delete the hidden yet remain SupportAssist folder at c:\program data. 2. Turn off secure boot in your BIOS. 3. Change UEFI to legacy under the boot tab in BIOS settings.